The history of the Paris-Saclay Institute of Neuroscience, or NeuroPSI, starts in 1882, when the Marais Institute was founded in Paris at the present location of the Roland-Garros French Open. Étienne Jules Marais, the founder of the institute, studied human and animal movement and is known for inventing chronophotography. Alfred and Denise Alpfessard led to the creation in 1947 of the study center in the CNRS. Under their leadership, the institute became a leading electrophysiology center, attracting famed researchers, including Ladislav Toc and his postdoc, future Nobel laureate Eric Kandel. In 1968, the institute moved to a new building that was constructed by Jacques Lewinsky in Gif-sur-Yvette, and, in 2015, the center merged with the many neuroscience teams of the upcoming University of Paris-Saclay to become NeuroPSI, a multidisciplinary research center where researchers and engineers study the brain from molecule to behavior. So, let's go take a tour.
Welcome to NeuroPSI.
Here, at NeuroPSI, our 220 researchers and engineers study behavior and cognition across multiple animal models, from rodents, Drosophila, amphibians, and whales. In a whale model, for example, some of our researchers study animal acoustic communication processes in their natural environment by deploying multi-sensor tags on animals. Other teams work with molecular genetics in Drosophila to explore how the brain controls sleep-wake rhythms. In the Institute, both the xenopus and mice help us to understand the mechanisms underlying the development, survival, and regeneration of retinal cells towards therapeutic strategies. Another goal of the center is to identify the neuronal mechanisms, the circuits, and computational principles that govern the emergence of perception, motor control, and learning. To this aim, we record neuronal activity from the single synapse to cells and up to cortical structures. Among our researchers, some identify the neuronal circuits that execute movement using electrophysiology up to genetics and behavioral analysis. Others focus on the development of novel neuroprosthesis in the mouse model and how to optimize its control and embodiment. And, to support the general neuroscience community, we develop web platforms like the eBrain Catalog that hosts computational models to boost reproducibility across neuroscience. At NeuroPSI, technicians and engineers work hard to support this science by developing mechanical tools or by creating media and communication tools to make science more accessible. In total, here, 28 nationalities collaborate every day to advance neuroscience. Learn more! Join our Researchers at Defense Forum 2022 in Paris.